Happy 2021 everyone, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and New Year. After all the heavy unhealthy food of Christmas, I wanted to show you how to make 3 quick, easy and healthy snacks. To make some peanut butter banana flapjacks, chop up 1 banana into a mixing bowl. Use a fork to mash everything up. Before adding 4 ounces of oats, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then use a fork to mix everything together. Add in 2 tablespoons of golden syrup or corn syrup, and mix until combined. Then onto a lined baking tray, roll your mixture into golf ball sized pieces. And using the back of a fork, press everything down. Then place your flapjacks into a 170 degrees Celsius or 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for around 10 to 15 minutes. And a few minutes later you should be greeted with 8 golden flapjacks. Then to finish them off, into a microwave safe bowl, spoon out 2 to 3 teaspoons of peanut butter. And heat it in 30-second intervals until melted. Then just drizzle the peanut butter on top, along with a pinch of salt. For the banana blueberry smoothie, into a blender or food processor pour out 175 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup or corn syrup, 1 banana, 1.5 ounces of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of Greek yoghurt. Then place on the lid and blend until smooth. And last but not least, we're going to make some vegetable couscous. Peel and finely chop half a carrot. Along with 1/4 of a pepper. And 1/4 of an onion. Then moving over to the stove, place a pan onto a medium heat, adding 1 teaspoon of oil, and when the pan's heated up, place in your carrot to lightly fry it off for a few minutes. Then add in your chopped onion, followed by the pepper, cooking until softened. Before pouring in 1 ounce of fresh or frozen peas, mixing everything together, and then adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, a pinch of chili flakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then pour in 3 ounces of couscous, 100 ml of water, and place on the lid, leaving to simmer for around 5 minutes until all the water has been absorbed. Then spoon in 1 teaspoon of butter, allow it to melt, and then mix everything through with a fork and remove it from the heat. And there we have it, 3 quick, healthy and easy snacks that are low in calories and high in protein. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think, or if you end up making these for yourself down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, check out my cooking playlist for more recipes. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, it really would be greatly appreciated. Leave any suggestions for future recipes you'd like to see down in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.